Working in a more digital world helps you react quicker to those types of changes. So it really allowed us to get more product out into the market quicker than we would have if we didn't have those things in place. This year has really helped us deliver on our purpose and show people the purpose of what GOJO does, which is saving lives and making lives better, right? So this has really helped us at a critical point in the world to deliver on that purpose, and Industry 4.0 has really contributed to that.